Now I want to stick with this theme. We got a lot to cover here under this his treatment of women. You know, everybody's got a mother, everybody's got a sister. People have daughters. You know, we're very protective of our women. I guess not when it comes to voting sometimes, but let's look at how he treats his daughter. It's very telling about his attitude towards women. How he treats his precious daughter. Let's listen up.
Hey, so Donald, all right, I'm afraid to ask this question, but what would you do if Playboy put Ivanka on the cover of the magazine and she had not?
This is going to be an interesting answer.
He doesn't even want you to have a drink. I know it. So.
It would be really disappointing. Not really. But it would depend on what was inside the magazine.
If she posed, it would be fine. But if they put her picture
Yeah,
on,
but it depends on what goes inside the magazine.
Well, see, that's her
Inside the
gripe.
magazine.
That's
Right.
this girl's gripe.
And
People
there was
assume there'll be nude photos.
Right, you do assume that with
Misleading.
Playboy.
okay,
If there weren't, you wouldn't have an issue with it then. If they were using her to...
I don't think Ivanka would do that inside the magazine, although she does have a very nice figure. I've said that if Ivanka weren't my daughter, perhaps I'd be dating her. You know?
Oh, it's so weird. Stop. You know what?
If Ivanka wasn't my daughter, perhaps I'd be dating her. Not everybody has daughters, but if you have a daughter, you know you're not saying that. Like one of the hosts on the show, that's just weird. Yeah, it's weird. That is weird. Unbelievable. Now, we remember during the debates, we had Megyn Kelly from Fox News, Trump's own network that loves Trump. She actually gave him a hard question, and he didn't like it at all. I forgot what the question was about. So let me... Just so you can't see, if you forgot that it happened, okay? Let's see, let's go with ABC News, let's try it.
You may have heard that there was a dust-up involving yours truly and presidential contender Donald Trump. You call women you don't like fat pigs, dogs, slobs, and disgusting animals. Your Twitter account...
Only Rosie O'Donnell. The fact is, she asked me a very inappropriate question. She should really be apologizing to me. You want to know the truth? You can see there was blood coming out of her eyes. Blood coming out of her wherever. And I said, you know, how much...
You heard it. There was blood come out of her eyes, blood come out of her wherever. Okay, obviously, we're adults here. We know he was alluding to maybe she's on PMS. Maybe she's on PMS. I remember back at the time hearing about this statement to, you know, the conservatives' darling, Megyn Kelly, that was it. Trump's it's over. Nope. You guys gave him a pass on this. Right? What else have you gave him a pass on? Well, New York Times, July 28, 2015, article about how Trump, referring to a woman breastfeeding, said, you need to get out of here. That's disgusting. Alright? How does he treat breastfeeding mothers? Give him a pass on that. That's disgusting. How he treats teenagers. Trump is the head of Miss America pageant and actually bragged about going backstage at the Miss America pageant. And I'm not going to go here, but you can Google it. what did these girls say? How creepy it was. And they were told to love up Donald. Creepy. This is all weird, creepy behavior. It's not locker room. It's a pattern of behavior. It's not just men. He's saying this stuff on the news with other people present, bragging about going backstage at a Miss America pageant. You gave him a pass on all this. And this, I'm not even going to mention the 20 plus accusers that came out during the election. Well, I just did mention it, but can't prove it. Guess all 20 were lying. I guess this is just all talk. Right? What can I say?